everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are taking a bunch of scrap fabrics and some Oly-fun fabric from Fairfield World and making some colorful boho ornaments. Now, this is a great way to cover up a scratched ornament or ornaments that don't match your tree anymore. And they look great on the tree or in the middle of a table for a Christmas table setting or a holiday table setting. You name it, these are super fun to make. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say happy holidays. Are you ready? Let's make some colorful fabric boho Christmas tree ornaments. Early ornaments were made out of whatever items that families had available to them. Fruit, especially apples, nuts, strings of popcorn and cranberries, paper streamers, candles, and even metal foil. The term bohemian is used to define someone with a free spirit who isn't tied down by anyone or anything. The French originally referred to the nomadic Romas or Romanis from Eastern Europe as gypsies because they believe they originated from Bohemia, and eventually their word for gypsy became bohemian. In old pagan beliefs, jingle bells are used to ward off bad luck, diseases, and evil spirits. Today, some motorcyclists strap small jingle bells to their handlebars to ward off road demons. I'm going to leave a link to Fairfield World, SureBonder, and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you next week. Bye.